with a green sparkly bow. We're going to learn punctuation. Yay! Okay, everyone. Last week we talked about reading with expression. And when we did, we talked about these punctuation marks. The first one we talked about was a period, which is just a little dot. That dot, as you notice, should sit on the line. So make sure your periods sit on the line. The next mark we talked about was a question, and when we read a sentence with a question mark, our voice goes up. So you make a backward C, come straight down, your dot sits on the line. Backward C, straight down, dot on the line. Backward C, straight down, dot on the line. The exclamation point is when we are excited about something, right? And so we are going to just go straight down and put a dot. Straight down and a dot. Straight down and a dot. All right, so friends, for this, you're just going to copy the sentences. Since this is your handwriting book, I expect to see your very best handwriting. So when you are writing that sentence, your letters should look like the letters in the book. So your A starts at the top. All letters start at the top. The V should stay inside the lines. A is a magic C letter, up like a helicopter, back down. G looks like magic C, up like a helicopter, down and turn. O, again, stay in those lines. Make sure you are bumping. Notice how slow Mrs. Valor's going. I'm taking my time to make it nice and neat. If you make a mistake, oops, whoa, that was way too big. That's what your eraser is for. Go ahead and erase and make the letter look perfect. All right? When you are done copying the sentences, read it. Read it out loud. Practice your fluency and your expression. Ava got tostadas. I got cocoa. Do dogs wag? Do cats wag? Wow! Otto saw 2 toads. Good luck, friends.